Gets nyo na ang librong ito. The Courage to Be Disliked by Ichiro Kishimoto and Fumitake Koga. I know, and you all know, that at one point in my life, I thought everyone disliked me. So I read this book and it has really helped me a lot. So if you feel like, merong mga taong may ayaw sa akin, basahin nyo lang to and you will have the courage to face your life and keep on going. And you will realize that it's okay if people don't like you. This is a conversation between a philosopher and a young man. Marirealize mo habang nag-usap sila, ganun pala yun. You have to have the courage to live your most authentic self and not allow others to limit your thinking, your view of life.